In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted photos on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have accidentally deleted some photos on Instagram and now you want to recover them, then what you have to do is to open Instagram application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner and go to settings. Click on the search bar and in the search bar type download your information. Click on download your information. Then click on request a download. Now select the second option, select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover our deleted photos, therefore you need to search for the option that says content. Select it and then click on next. Now all you have to do is to click on the submit request option. Once you click on submit request, a file containing your deleted photos will be sent to your email address. And once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted photos on Instagram will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.